Project Collab is a revolutionary way to enable students and companies to find each other to work on projects. It is a platform that allows companies to submit project proposals and students to volunteer for them. Now let's meet our users. This is Daniel. He's part of a company called Daniel's Company, and he wants to find students at U of T to work on a small project for his company. He has teamed up with Nathaniel, a professor at U of T, and this semester he's teaching CSC301. He decided it's a good idea to team up with companies to give students the opportunity to work with a mentor and to contribute to an important project. This is Richard. He is a third-year student currently enrolled in CSC 301. He's never had a technical internship and he has been struggling to find a job for PEY. He thinks that working with a company this year would be a really good way to boost his resume and help him land an internship.
Let's get started. Daniel goes into the landing page of the application and can read the main goals of the application. He can then log in with GitHub and is redirected to a page containing all his projects. He has none, so he goes and creates a new project for help on his company's website. After submission, Daniel can see his newly created project, but must wait for the instructor's approval before students can see it. He can then go in and review the project's information and visit the links he provided as well. Now the instructor Nathaniel logs in. He can reject and approve project proposals. This is to ensure the projects are within the students' abilities and to protect them from being taken advantage of. All users can search projects by their names. Now Daniel's project has been approved. He can log in and see the status of his project. The student Richard logs in. He can then go to projects on his Discover page and apply to any of them. However, he must wait until the instructor approves his request to work on the project in order for him to be officially part of the project. The instructor decides who ends up working on which project. Thus, he has the power to approve students' applications to projects. A feature implementation we can think of would be a notification system whenever the status of a project changes or someone gets approved for a project. Additionally, we could also scrape the data from the provided GitHub link of the project to populate the project detail page. There we have it. All three users are happy and got what they wanted. Daniel got a way to get in contact with students and was able to get some help with his company. Nathaniel has an easy way to control projects, students, and companies on a single platform. And Richard was able to get a foot in the door with Daniel's company. With an easy to use, easy to log in, all-encapsulating app, the professional appearance of the project helps reinforce U of T's image within the tech community.